Team Liquid is the 5th team na makakapasok sa ating M7 World Championship knockout stage. You know what time it is? Hands in. Can we get a warm round of applause for our Filipino representatives because god damn! Pasok parehas ang Aurora at ang Liquid at ang ibig sabihin nun, meron na kagad tayong 25% chance para maipanalo yung M7 World Championship. And not only that, kasi yung dalawa nating representatives, napalaban sila sa dalawang teams that I personally felt like were a good match to go up against. Kumbaga siguro sinasabi ng ibang bansa na may tulog tong mga to dun sa mga kalaban nila. And in Liquid's case, ang nakalaban nila is yung Yangon Galacticos. Yangon daw yung pronunciation yun yung sabi sa akin. So, I guess I'm just gonna go with that. And you know, there's a lot of stories with this. Number one, for everybody's information, si Coach Marvs, yung head coach ng Yangon ay isang Filipino import. Second, this is Coach RC now being on the other side. Kasi in the previous tournaments ng M-World Championship, nandun siya sa Burmese team. So you would expect na andun pa rin yung love, diba? And I guess that's just a way of him giving respect because if you don't put out your all going up against a friend, then you're not really respecting them. Third is Yangon's status. After starting off the Swiss stage ng 2-0, bababa sila ngayon ng 2-2. Although there will not be a chance na makita nila yung Onyx ulit kung sakaling manalo yun bukas kontra sa Evil. Kasi nagkita na sila nung first round. Baka mababa na yung moral ng mga players. Kasi isipin mo sa pindutan nung game 1, dinaig ka. Nung game number 2, halos 10,000 yung lamang by the end of the game. This is just Liquid showing everybody that you should never disrespect their name just because of one loss. In fact, sabi nga ni JP, marami daw silang natutunan, di ba? And they're gonna be building on those pieces heading into the knockouts. 2 for 2 tayo sa Pilipinas, 5 out of 8 tayo sa mga knockout teams.